Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Tan Jesse here. So hey, if you guys have been following the channel and been coming to me for hair advice for the past little while now, you'll know that when it comes to curl creams, I've given you guys some solid recommendations. One of my go-to favorites of all time, Bumble Bumble's Curl Defining Cream. Solid overall, no problems with this kind of stuff. Absolutely no problems. That one time I was feeling a little flush and I splurged on the Wavy Styling Butter Curl Enhancing Cream. No problems with that. A little bit heavy, a little bit expensive, very luxurious. But recently I've rediscovered a curl cream that I've kind of put on the back burner for the past little while, but I thought I'd give it a shot again, and it may be my new favorite product for curly hair. So we're gonna get into that. I'm gonna show you how I would go about styling it. So stick around. I'm gonna go shower. We're gonna go talk about this new stuff. I'm gonna slap some of it in my hair and hopefully you guys learn something or enjoy the video, or both. Hopefully both. Okay guys, ferociously showered, welcome back. If you're new here and you're interested in men's hair tips, tricks, tutorials, all that kind of good stuff, watch this video throughout. If you like my style, you like what I do and it helped, don't forget to drop a like and consider hitting that subscribe button. If you've been here before, welcome back. I'm gonna try to get through this intro really quick because I like putting this product in my hair while it's evenly saturated with water because I have a mixed porosity of hair and some things dry out faster than others. So putting the product in my hair when it is completely wet gives for a better result. Pro tip, that's a little bonus tip right there. Oh, I haven't even told you what the stuff is yet. Moroccan oil curl defining cream. Is that what it's called? A lot of you guys have probably heard of Moroccan oil. And in fact, I know a lot of you guys have heard of Moroccan oil because I get a lot of questions about it. Now, first of all, what I'd like to clarify is I'm talking about the Moroccan oil brand Moroccan oil. Because Moroccan oil itself, from what I understand, is essentially argan oil, which is an oil that is native to Morocco. And there's argan oil and Moroccan oil in tons of different products, but this is the stuff I'm talking about. It's this teal and orange branding, says Moroccan oil right there. Cannot be mistaken. So real quick backstory, like I said, I mean, on the channel itself, you've seen me using like the Bumble Bumble Curl Defining Cream. You've seen me using the Wavy, this stuff, also the Bumble Bumble Curl Reactivator, because when I was working professionally, Bumble Bumble was kind of my go-to suggestion because it's very versatile, very light, doesn't build up, just high quality stuff. I also had a lot of experience with Moroccan oil, but because I had access to Bumble Bumble and it was a little bit more versatile of a product, I kind of put Moroccan oil on the back burner. And the main reason for that is, as a stylist, the one thing and first little piece of information that you should know about Moroccan oil is it is very heavy. Now, if you have used the Bumble Bumble Curl Defining Cream, the one that I've recommended the most, you'll know that it is quite light and airy and bouncy, which is very in line with Bumble Bumble's style and branding. And the reason I recommend it so much is because it's just that. If you have finer curls or kind of a finer hair type, using something like Moroccan oil or even Wavy's styling butter, it can tend to be a little bit heavy. But the reason that I had picked it up is because I'm noticing more and more people commenting or in the Discord chat saying that they have a very similar hair type to mine. My hair type, of course, being very dense and very curly, thus being able to support a heavier product like this. So that's the reason I had picked it up, just to give it a shot, just to kind of mix things up a little bit, because I have been kind of bouncing back and forth between these two. And my experience rediscovering this stuff has been very, very positive. In fact, I wasn't kidding in the intro when I said it might be my new go-to curl cream. But let's get into me actually applying the stuff and showing you how it all works. Voiceover Jesse here, because video Jesse up the audio. So for this Moroccan oil stuff, we're going to go for a 3 pumper. And as always, the amount of products you should use is going to be completely dependent upon your hair type. And as you can see here, as video Jesse would love to be telling you right now, this stuff spreads very, very thick, which is very consistent with a heavier curl cream product. We're going to be starting by emulsifying and spreading the product from roots to ends. And here, full disclosure, I do take an additional 2 pumper, not recommended, only if you need it. But sometimes you got to do what you got to do to make sure that the entirety of your hair is covered with this product. Now we're bussing out the old trusty blow dryer and we're implementing the scrunch dry technique. If you are unfamiliar with the scrunch dry technique, I have an entire video. In fact, it's the most popular video on the channel that goes into detail of the process. But essentially what you're doing is, rather than pulling the hair straight with a blow dryer, you're just drying it in its natural form, kind of scrunching it toward the scalp to let it sit in as natural of a curl pattern as possible and dry that way. This way you can get volume and control the direction of your curl and actually have it lock in the way that you want it to. And now that it's 100% dry, I'm just going to be placing my hair in kind of the general direction that I want it, feeling things out a little bit. And as a last step, I'm going to be applying a little bit more curl cream to help smooth down the curls, deal with the flyaways, and give it a more finished look. So before we finish the voiceover section here, I just want to say, as an overall product, this stuff is really, really good. Like I said, a little bit heavy, but it works perfect for my hair type, and I was able to achieve the look that I normally go for. So no complaints here. Okay guys, so this is what I was able to come up with. Hopefully VoiceOver Jesse did a good enough job of explaining the process and kind of his ideas as he's going through it. If you've seen my curly hair videos before, very similar. This is kind of like my go-to. I just kind of throw it all over to one side and I like to kind of tuck it behind my ear a little bit. I think it's cute. But that is for the most part how I'd go about using this Moroccan oil curl defining cream. However, there are a couple things that if you were to be using this for yourself, and also a couple things that I learned while I was going through the styling process that you might want to take into consideration. First of all, the main difference between the Moroccan oil and the Bumble Bumble curl defining cream, like I said, is the weight. And you may have been able to notice, or maybe VoiceOver Jesse told you, that because of the thickness of this curl cream, I had a bit of a difficult time running my fingers through it and loosening up those curls, just because it's a lot more tacky. With the Bumble Bumble curl defining cream, because it's so light, once I blow dried all the curls in, it was very easy for me to run my fingers through and kind of soften up those curls if I needed to. So what that tells me, and in fact now that I'm looking at the back, it suggests it, is this is more of an air dry type product. Typically, I don't like air drying my hair because if I'm not using a product that's thick enough, it doesn't penetrate my hair enough, and then it tends to get a little bit dry and frizzy towards the end. But with this stuff, I'm confident if I allowed it to air dry, it would really lock in that moisture, which is, again, very typical for Moroccan oil products. So if you're trying to develop your hair routine in the mornings, you don't have time, you don't want to spend 10-15 minutes scrunch drying it or diffusing it, throw it in, leave on your way to work or school or whatever, it should do the job of just locking in those curls through air drying. But something that you guys might not be able to see is the amount of hold that this stuff has. Bumble Bumble curl defining cream or Bay styling butter, great amount of hold, but this stuff, I think because of this more tacky feeling that it has, or just the weight to it, it seems to be holding this curl a lot better. So it's a lot less loose and flowy, but a lot more locking inage. So yes, I hope you were able to get some insight onto this product itself, and I guess the curly wavy hair styling process that I use. Again, if you use this product in finer, thinner hair, it'll work, it'll lock in the curls, but don't expect to get that like airy, light bounce that you would get from Bumble Bumble curl defining cream, just because the Moroccan oil product is so much heavier. But it would still work, and as always, I recommend experimenting with different products. And this stuff smells so good. I can smell it just like this. Just the tips, I can smell it. So summary, overall, solid stuff. I like the fact that it would be great for air drying. In fact, normally when I use this product, I just let it air dry and then just kind of brush or like loosen up the curls afterwards. Overall, solid stuff. It is now in the arsenal of Jesse's Barbershop approved curly hair products. Heaviest hair, second heaviest hair, you got finer or medium hair. But for me personally, especially due to the price point, I think I'm going to be shifting over to Moroccan oil as kind of my go-to workhorse in terms of curly hair product. And I hope that this has inspired you to pick up a bottle for yourself. I don't know if I'm going to have an Amazon link down below, but check it out. There might be. Speaking of links down below, first one is going to be that Discord chat that we always talk about. We're at this point, we're over 100 of you guys who have now joined in the Discord chat, all dudes, as far as I know, who are asking great questions about their hair and getting to engage. And it's been really, really fun and really, really cool. So thank you guys for doing that. And now, if you enjoyed the video and you feel like you want to see more or support the channel, consider hitting that subscribe button because we're almost at 10K subscribers. I really appreciate the support. And like I said, there's that Discord channel if you want to engage with the community a little bit more. If you like the video, drop a like. No, I think that's it, guys. Moroccan oil curl cream. Am I sponsored? No. Have I reached out to them? Yes. Have I heard a response? No. Classic Jesse's Barbershop will hopefully see you in the next video.